Devil's Little Arena. Right here, in the squared circle. Ooh, baby. Now I'm coming to you here in Nevada. I'm gonna put my championship on the line against your finest. Ooh, that desert rat, Johnny G. Hard. And I'm gonna walk away the champ. Like my mama say, it bees that way. Sometime. Ooh-wee, boy. Smell like a desert rose.
Spoken like a true fighter.
Yeah, God.
Delicious.
Ooh. All right, now give me 2 hours now.
What you mean 2 hours?
Hey, 1 and 2.
Just like my champion.
Yeah, you know it, brother.
But don't hurt him now, baby. And ladies, don't hurt him too much now.
Oh, yeah. Hit me, girl. Hit me. Oh,
Find me a baby of my own.
Ooh, bite it, baby. Bite it. Oh.
Snowflake!
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, let me kick off my boots and get relaxed. We're gonna be here a while. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Let me get this party started. Yeah.